Most people get this wrong. They think Amazon Flex and DoorDash offer work the same way. They don't. One depends on scheduled delivery blocks, while the other lets you work on demand. That difference has a huge impact on how reliable your income can be in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform offers more dependable work, how each one schedules deliveries, and which is the better choice if you want consistent earning opportunities. Here's the short answer. Amazon Flex generally offers more reliable work once you've secured a delivery block. DoorDash offers more flexibility because you can often dash without a scheduled block, but the number of orders you receive depends on customer demand in your area. Let's start with Amazon Flex. Drivers reserve delivery blocks that usually last between 2 and 5 hours. Before accepting a block, you'll see the estimated pay. Once your block begins, Amazon assigns packages that need to be delivered within that time. As long as operations run normally, you'll usually have work throughout the block. DoorDash works differently. Instead of reserving a package route, you receive delivery requests while you're online. During busy periods, orders may arrive one after another. During slower times, you could spend several minutes waiting between deliveries. But here's the problem. Many people assume Amazon Flex blocks are always available. In reality, popular delivery blocks are highly competitive in many cities. If demand is high and too many drivers are trying to book the same shifts, you may struggle to reserve the blocks you want. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you successfully book an Amazon Flex block, your earnings are generally more predictable because the payout is shown before you begin. With DoorDash, your total earnings depend on how many orders you complete, customer tips, traffic, and how busy the market stays during your shift. Take Alex as an example. He books a 4-hour Amazon Flex block paying a fixed amount. Even if deliveries take different routes, he already knows approximately what he'll earn. The next day, he spends 4 hours on DoorDash. The first 2 hours are busy, but the afternoon slows down significantly, reducing his total earnings compared to the previous day. This is where most people fail. They focus only on hourly pay and ignore availability. A high-paying Amazon Flex block doesn't help if you can't reserve one. Likewise, DoorDash's flexibility doesn't guarantee steady orders during quiet periods. In a minute, here's the easiest way to decide. If your market consistently offers Amazon Flex blocks that fit your schedule, they're often the more reliable option for planned income. If you need the freedom to start and stop whenever you want, DoorDash is usually the better fit, even if earnings vary from day to day. The bottom line is simple. Amazon Flex generally provides more reliable work after you've secured a delivery block. DoorDash offers greater flexibility, but less predictable order volume. The best choice depends on whether you value guaranteed scheduled work or the freedom to drive whenever you choose. If you found this comparison helpful, leave a comment with your experience, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more delivery app comparisons.